Viburnum rhytidophyllum, not rhytidophyloides. This is rhytidophyllum, and it's not a happy plant today because it's a bit too cold, so the leaves are kind of drooping a little more. This is a great plant. It kind of looks like a wet mop right now, but when the leaves are fully extended and it's in full form, you've got these really coarse, leathery leaves. Young leaves will be very, very brown underneath, and it's grown for its leaves. It's kind of haphazard if it produces clusters of fruit. If it does produce clusters of red fruit, very, very attractive against its dark green. This can become a fairly massive shrub, probably 2 to 3 meters by 2 to 3 meters. So a very, very big shrub. I saw several of these down on a field trip when I was a student down in Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., where they were in full form. And when these leaves are in the growing season, they're almost shiny, leathery green. So it can be really, really lustrous. Great backdrop shrub, or a filler shrub. Fairly uncommon. We got this from Whistling Gardens a number of years ago. You don't see it often in the trade. You see something that looks like this that is called rhytidophyloides. And there's cultivar Allegheny. We have it at Cuddy's. And rhytidophyloides, it's got this as a parent, but it is a deciduous viburnum. Well, let's say it's deciduous in February. So it holds on to its leaves and they look really brown and disgusting looking, and then they drop them in February or March and they're pushed off. This one does suffer from winter burn. Now, it's been a fairly mild winter here, so I think we're going to be relatively unscathed, but you can see some of this winter burn, and that is a negative for us growing it in this climate, because if it's a severe winter, this is going to look disgusting, right? But it's well worth the effort to plant it and appreciate the foliage in good years.